So back down on Albert Road. We're not going to look at the mine again, although when I did film it before, obviously it went further than the buildings that I showed. It went, there's a whole industrial estate. We're going to go down here again, and this pub is actually the miners as well, which I missed out on that video. So over there was the whole of the colliery, but obviously they built a massive estate on there now. Obviously I didn't want to fly the drone over houses, don't want to upset anybody, privacy or anything like that. I will not do that. So what we're going to do today is we're going to walk down these steps again, go down to the railway station and fly the drone over, see how the building work is going on down there. I do regularly get letters from Transpennine because my house is quite close to the tunnel, Morley tunnel, where it comes out. So I do get letters telling me what's happening in all the local railway stations, and they're doing a lot of work. They're putting millions into it. So we're going down these steps. I will be going back up these steps obviously in a bit. We'll be doing a live stream, so that'll be up before this video. But we just missed a train. There's a train. There'll be quite a few, I think. I would like to get my drone up while the train is going. What I'm going to do is, last time I went right down there, filmed, put the drone up from there. But what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do it from here today. See, I can follow the line down. As you can see, not a lot's happening. Not a lot is happening from last time. But I'm going to come down regularly to see what's going on. The whole of June is going to be a build of that station and that bridge as well. So I just want to document that bridge before it's actually, I don't know if it's pulling it down or just building onto it. I'm assuming they're going to be pulling it down, so I'm going to wait here for this truck to come round. This is going to be good. Oh, we've got another train coming in. So yeah, I'm going to get the drone from here. Obviously, I don't really want to be standing in the middle of it. I might stand here actually. I'm just worried about the trees, the clearage for the trees. But there's some more building works going on down here. And gotta get the drone out. I'm going to go down there, I think, and I'll take it up from there, which might be better. So we'll follow this road down. I might actually walk onto the station as well when I do my live. There we go, Morley station. So I'm going to do the live on this channel. Obviously, most of my lives are on the toy channel. Not sure how many people I'll get over there. I've already here, but it's worth a try. It's worth a try. So I cannot go down there, obviously. I've got to go down here. So I wonder if I do it. Big tree there. If I go over there, maybe. Go over there. I've got to go clearage. Now we can. Take it there. That train. Sorry about the wind. So yeah, this is a bridge. So let's go and get the drone and see what's going on. Oh, there's a bridge over there. You can see the two. That's the new bridge. I don't know if they're keeping this. I assume they are. But there's the new bridge. Actually, that must be the crane that's putting it on. So we'll take the drone up and see what happens.